Hi Gemini, this is Chloe from the Galactic Soul, and I am coming to you with a love reading because it's February, and I wanted to spread love, Christ consciousness to all of you. So welcome Gemini, I'm so happy you're here, and a card already flew out. So let's see what we have going on. Please Spirit, give me the highest and best messages for my Gemini during this love season. Let's see what popped out. We have a lot of stuff going on. Oh my god. So let's hold off because I'm being told to keep shuffling. Anything else, Spirit, that Gemini needs to know at this time? I think that's it. So this person. So there's two situations. There's two situations happening. So we have the Knight of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Strength, and the Knight of Cups. So Knight of Wands is very much new everything. New adventure, new exotic adventure. You tell me in the comments below what that means. But exotic adventure, this knight is galloping. I can definitely show you. They are moving forward, and you can, I say exotic because we do have the pyramids over here, and it's very mysterious. Everything having to do with Egypt is very mysterious. We're not really 100% sure what was going on there, right? So this is definitely a new adventure. So maybe somebody's new is coming into your life, and it's a very new thing. So knights are the teenager of the family. So it's definitely new, and I feel like, so we do have the Ace of Pentacles, so that could be having to do with money. They allow abundance to flow within you because they have abundance and they are showing you that abundance. But I also have the Strength card here as well, so it's telling me be careful because they're showing you all of this, I just keep getting abundant, all of this materialistic stuff. And the Strength says be strong here, don't automatically just fall, because we have the Knight of Cups, and Knight of Cups for me is like Prince Charming. So for Prince Charming here, I feel like it's like right now it's very much, there is a commercial. So the Knight of Cups here, it's very much Prince Charming energy. So we need to be careful here because it is a new adventure. It is something new, but I would be hesitant here, Gemini, because there might be something that you might find out later on. But as of right now, feels great, fantastic. He's got his ducks in a row, or she's got her ducks in a row, and there's a lot of boxes being checked. I literally see like a checklist, and you're like, yep, they're perfect, that's great, fantastic. However, looking into this pile, let's see. So we have the Five of Wands, we have the Ace of Swords, we have the King of Swords, and then we have the Wheel of Fortune. Oh, Gemini. Again, I read cards intuitively, so take this as it resonates. Gemini, I have the Five of Wands. Five of Wands is very much playful energy. It is, for me, it's very much like imposter syndrome, but not really. However, going into it from a love perspective, I feel like you're playing house. I feel like this isn't really truly real. We do have the Ace of Swords here. Ace of Swords is new logic, but then we have the King of Swords here, which is a protector of logic. But a lot of logic is going into this relationship. And that's why I feel like it's just, the passion isn't there. The passion that is there is because you're going to be stable, or they do just mark off all the boxes, but like, is the connection truly there? And I don't think that this is going to be it for you, Gemini. Again, take it as it resonates, because we do have the Wheel of Fortune. Ebbs and flows, ups and downs. There's going to be good days, there's going to be bad days. Do I see something being there? Yes, but you're doing it out of the logical sense, not a passionate sense. And if you want that true love, baby, you need to have it all. So let's pull a few more cards, because I definitely want some clarification. All right, Spirit, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, a lot. Gemini! I don't even know. It was definitely this one, this one, this one. Then it was like all of these. Holy crap. Oh my god. So Gemini, this is a whirlwind. So I'm just gonna rip through it because I don't want anything to just... Hi friends, just wanted to put a shameless plug in here about my free ebook available on my website, thegalacticsoul.com. It's super easy, and you go to the website, you click the first button that says free ebook, and then you enter all of your information, and bam, the free ebook is right in your inbox. The ebook goes over the basics of mediumship, how to start your journey connecting to the other side, and much, much more. Again, you can go to the website, thegalacticsoul.com, or you can click the link in the pinned comment below for more info. Now, back to the reading. Simmer too much, and then we're thinking all different angles, right? The Magician, you have everything that you need in order to get to the next step in your journey. You're gonna have a lot of hard work. We have the 8 of Pentacles here. There's gonna be a lot of hard work. However, we have the 7 of Pentacles right after it. 7 of Pentacles automatically means that you are viewing what you reap what you sow. So you will definitely have to work hard in this relationship, but it is going to be worth it. It's going to be worth it. We do have the 2 of Wands here. There is going to be a time where you are like, oh, is the grass greener on the other side? I'm not 100% sure. Like, I do have everything, but like, something's missing. There's going to be that pause in the relationship where you're just not 100% sure. But then we do have the King of Cups. The King of Cups is a protector of emotions. So there might be a situation where you're not feeling it and you're feeling ending it, but then there's going to be this situation that clicks, and it's going to be super magical, and there's going to be a lot of emotions flowing there. So something is literally just going to switch. And then we have the Hermit, the 3 of Wands. I believe this is going together. The Hermit and 3 of Wands is definitely the energy of watching your ships roll in, but also making sure 100% that this is the journey that you want to go on. There is going to always be that little part of you where you're like, am I missing out on something? Do I regret anything in my past? Is there stuff still open? There's going to be like some cold feet action. However, I feel like you're going to get through it because we have the 4 of Wands and the 2 of Cups. 4 of Wands, 2 of Cups is absolutely insane because the 4 of Wands is 11/11 energy. It is soulmate. It is let's have a wedding situation. And then we have the 2 of Cups. 2 of Cups energy is like, for a lot of people, it's meeting your soulmate, yada. But for me, it is meeting your higher self 100%. So your higher self is always 100%, but through life, we go through ebbs and flows, right? We go through the Wheel of Fortune. So we go up and down. So at this moment, that's exactly where you're supposed to be. That's absolutely incredible. So I would try to keep it go. I would give it a go. See, this is the energy right now. It obviously can change. Everybody has free will. Obviously stuff can happen. However, if this did resonate, definitely give me a thumbs up or hit subscribe. I do readings all the time. I also share a lot of stuff about the universe and how to be better and look for your purpose in your life. So definitely look out for that. I think that was ahead of the hand. We'll look at them. I'm not sure, but the first one was definitely for real. So we're going to look at this. Ooh, religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So that can definitely be a reason why you were thinking super logical. They believe in the same thing that I do, or they do go to church, or they do go to temple every single week. They take it very seriously. Having a spiritual person is very, very important, but that doesn't mean that it's 100%. So keep that in mind. And then we do have these cards that go out, but let's see. So crazy. We have wedding. This situation involves a marriage. It is safe for you to love. So maybe there's a little bit of hesitation because you don't want to be vulnerable, but I say just do it. Go for it. And then we have free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Yes, absolutely. Don't make things happen because other people are trying to make you do those things. That's not fair. It is your life. It's your choice, Gemini. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Definitely hit subscribe, comment below if you need anything. I'm here for you. Signing off.